Phrasal verbs. 1. Take back, to retract or return something. He wanted to take back his previous statement. Can you take back the book to the library? She decided to take back her words after realizing her mistake. The store allows customers to take back items within 30 days. He couldn't take back his harsh words. I want to take back that comment I made. She asked him to take back the gift. He had to take back his resignation after a discussion. They decided to take back their complaints after he apologized. He doesn't want to take back his decision. To hold on to keep or retain. She held on to her beliefs despite criticism. We need to hold on to these memories. He held on to the old documents for reference. She advised me to hold on to my dreams. He will hold on to the car until he gets a new one. They held on to each other during tough times. She decided to hold on to her old home. He always holds on to his principles. They managed to hold on to their lead in the game. She held on to hope despite all odds. 3. Look up, to search for information. I need to look up the meaning of this word. She looked up recipes online for the new dish. We can look up train schedules online. He likes to look up famous quotes in his spare time. You can look up the details on their website. I had to look up the directions to the venue. She looked up her old friends on social media. He decided to look up his family tree. They looked up the weather forecast before the trip. We should look up the historical background of this place. 4. Put together, to assemble or organize. We need to put together a plan for the event. She put together a scrapbook of memories. He managed to put together the broken pieces. They put together a presentation for the meeting. We are trying to put together a team of experts. She put together a list of her favorite books. They decided to put together a photo album. He put together a toolkit for emergencies. We should put together all the documents for submission. She put together a playlist for the road trip. 5. Go through, to experience or endure. She had to go through a difficult phase. We all go through ups and downs in life. He went through a lot of hardships. They had to go through a strict process for approval. She went through several books for her research. We are going through some changes in the office. He had to go through surgery to recover. They went through a period of financial struggle. She went through a lot of stress during exams. We must go through these reports before the meeting. 6. Come together, to unite or gather. People come together to celebrate festivals. The team came together to solve the problem. Friends come together during difficult times. Families come together to support each other. The committee came together to discuss the issues. Everyone came together to help the victims of the flood. The students came together to organize the event. The community comes together for charity events. Different nations come together for global peace efforts. The whole city came together for the marathon. 7. Run away with, to elope or abscond. The young couple ran away with each other. The thief ran away with the money. She decided to run away with her boyfriend. He ran away with the confidential files. They planned to run away with each other. Someone ran away with my bag from the bus station. The girl ran away with the idea of becoming a musician. He threatened to run away with the evidence. The documents ran away with the wind. She ran away with her family's jewelry. 8. Back down, to withdraw or concede. He refused to back down from his position. She finally decided to back down from the argument. They didn't back down despite the criticism. He was too proud to back down. She had to back down when she realized her mistake. The company backed down after public protests. He won't back down even if the odds are against him. After a long discussion, they finally backed down. She never backs down from a challenge. The government had to back down due to public pressure. 9. Come out, to be revealed or made public. The truth will eventually come out. Her new book came out last week. It came out that he was innocent. The details came out during the investigation. The film will come out next month. The secret came out in the meeting. He finally came out with his feelings. The scandal came out in the newspapers. His talent came out when he performed on stage. The truth about the incident came out slowly. 10. Check up on, to investigate someone's well-being. She called to check up on her friend after the accident. He likes to check up on his parents regularly. The doctor came to check up on the patient. I'll check up on her later to see if she's okay. They often check up on the project's progress. She went to check up on her grandparents. He made a call to check up on his child at school. The boss likes to check up on his employees unexpectedly. They always check up on each other after traveling. The manager will check up on the team's progress tomorrow.